Not too terribly used to riding with other people, but this is cool. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Fire Moto on the 2011 Phantom. We got Mr. Motobomb Virginia on his 2015 Harley Wide Glide. Yeah, I'm not great with the Harley models. I know what the Road Glide is, the Street Glide, there's the Sportster. Dyna might be an engine type, I'm not 100% sure. But we're fueled up, we're gonna grab something to eat, something beachy. That Harley, man. I like this, but that's pretty cool. Oh wow, it is literally like right here. Is it literally right here? All right, well, we're gonna have to get some more 360 footage. I'm gonna let these boys get lined up. Like half know what I'm doing. There we go. I was gonna try to split the parking space with him there, but we just met. I don't know him that well. Oh man. Ugh.
Out of the gas station, and we made another left turn at the stoplight. Hell of a ride, guys. Hell of a ride. And then that other left turn. Yeah.
I know, man. A whole 0.3 miles, man.
And we can church it up online, though. That's the good part. And I will say this.
Remember when we stopped to save those orphan puppies from that, the Loch Ness Monster was there, too? We said, get out of here, Loch Ness Monster. I ain't got no tree fitty.
I mean, nobody's going to believe us, but again, it is the internet. I did redemption. Because remember I turned left
what
on
redemption?
the green when we were riding? And I didn't go.
You totally redeemed
yourself.
yourself.
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly it.
Dumb and Dumber?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I fear that's what I look like riding on this thing. Them guys on that little bitty bike. So we're doing something I don't usually do. We're cruising with Fire Moto, Motobomb Virginia. We're down here at the beach in beautiful Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. And believe it or not, we are actually on our way to a place I've never been before, and no, it's not a library. I don't even know why I need to go there. I can barely friggin' read. At least it feels like it some days. But no, we're actually headed to Outer Banks Harley Davidson. It's not to be putting people's business on the street, but Motobomb Virginia, a member of his family, actually recently purchased a new, well, not new, like a new Road Glide. So 100% congratulations. I'm a little jealous. I'm also wondering if they're even going to let me in the freaking dealership on my Kawasaki. I'm trying to stay in formation here. Not something I'm typically used to. This bike doesn't like 2,000 RPM. We're going to drop a gear. But this is pretty cool. 360 cameras on the back of the bike. Again, I'm hoping it stays there. Because I'd absolutely love to get some rolling shots together. That is awesome. I'm glad we were able to all work out a time where we can actually meet up. It just worked out that all of us had the same days off. And it's one of those, darn it, we could talk about meeting up from time to time, or we could just do it. That's kind of the neat thing about being in this YouTube space, is if I didn't have a channel and they didn't have channels, we would have never known, we probably wouldn't have known each other existed. And actually, it's kind of what we were talking about at lunch a little bit. It was kind of how, like, the different YouTube ecosystems get together. Like a friend of Motobomb Virginia said he should check out Fire Moto, and then from Fire Moto's channel, he met our buddy Moto Alley up in Canada. And I found out about through Motobomb Virginia from those guys. And it turns out we don't live that far from each other. So why the heck not? And you know, sometimes you meet people that you see on like TV and on like YouTube and stuff like that. And sometimes they're a completely different person. Man, these are both great freaking human beings in front of me. And this is exactly the kind of riding I want to do. Nice and chill, relaxed. Nobody's pushing each other's limits. We're just taking it easy, cruising to strip, baby. Almost makes me feel like a real motorcycle guy. And when people talk about YouTube being a community, I think this is what they're talking about. You know, you find channels, you find people you really like, you like their personality, and you genuinely give a crap about them. And those are the kind of channels I like to watch too. You know, I like the smaller people, because you can really tell when somebody's genuine and genuinely cares what they're doing. Because sometimes you get too big, then your ego starts taking over, which is kind of something we were talking about too. Like, who cares about egos, man? We're out here on bikes, we're riding, having fun. We got a Shadow 750, a Harley Wide Glide. I don't know what's engines in that, I apologize. and a Kawasaki with a 1600 V-twin in it. You could throw a CBR and a Hayabusa in here too. I don't care, man. I'm more concerned with the person in the seat and holding the handlebars than I am with what kind of bike they're sitting on. Because you could have the coolest chopper in the world, man. Fastest bike on the planet. But if you're a jerk, then I ain't got time for you. That F-Series right there, that Bronco, try not to crash. Those are freaking cool. That's some money sitting on that truck right there. Hopefully everything's okay and they're not getting towed back to the house. Those things look super clean. Man, I'm just glad we had some great weather for this. And I forgot, I was told that it was on the other side of the bridge. I don't know. The sights, the sounds, the view. I dig it. Hang on there, 360 camera. It's about to get bumpy. Oh man, this is refreshing. This is nice. Feel that breeze over the water too. Man, that is better than a cup of coffee, I imagine. I don't know if he's wanting me to pass him or what. I'm not sure what he's thinking. Fire Moto wants him to move up. Does he want me to move up? I don't understand these hand signals. We didn't brief before we took off. I don't want to get too close because I don't understand these hand signals. No, he's want me to pass him or not. See, now I'm anxious and nervous about this. Now I'm not paying attention to my speed. I'm getting too close to Fire Moto. I'm about to just drop in behind him. I don't know if we're on the left or the right, though. I don't know where we're going. Left my phone in the saddlebag. It wasn't necessary. I'm gonna drift past him a little bit. Might be what he's after. We are getting over. Okay. Might also just be taking it easy across the bridge. There's those beautiful Fords again. At least I think they are, but I don't know. Every Ford I had blew up, so I don't know. I don't hate them. They're good-looking machines. Those two for sure. Ooh, we are getting a little turbulence on this bridge, though. I will be happy to be beyond it. Like I mentioned before, I am not a water guy. I don't do water, don't do deep water. I ain't getting on a boat. No interest. Bumper up a gear. It's like right in the sweet spot where I don't want to lug this bike. And I'm hoping I don't spook my Kawasaki here. I don't want to spook you, darling. We're just going to the Harley dealership. We're not trading you in or anything. I promise. I don't want it to get the wrong idea. I'm trying to maintain like a lane position stagger with these guys, but also at the same time getting passed by like big old vans and stuff. I'm a lane position 3 when I can, just to keep as much distance between me and the stuff going on to my left. Local sheriff out here radaring. Don't mind us, we're just law-abiding citizens. Obeying the law, because that's my favorite hobby. One of my favorite things to do is obey the law. Signed, Lucky Aces. And also, I'm finally going to get to figure out the secrets, you know? Because I know a lot of Harley Davidson guys go to and from dealerships all the time. I'm finally going to get to see what goes on in there. Man, they don't give you a whole lot of room to turn off. I still don't know if I'm allowed in here. Yeah, we're just gonna forget the lines, I guess. Breaking all the rules. But yeah, I know Motobomb Virginia, like I mentioned, a member of his family recently got a new bike. He wants to get him a bell. No one bought me a bell. I guess nobody worries about your buddy Lucky Aces. That's okay. We'll be all right.
There's too much traffic on the bridge to get us to flip-flop or whatever.
Yeah, well, I was trying to figure out what Dean was doing, and then I figured he's probably just taking it easy on the bridge. So I was like, does he want me to pass him? And you kept, like...
You were worried about the speed, remember, coming over? So I would hold up that whipped me to convict. I was like,
no, it didn't fall.
I want to go over 50 miles an hour with your 360, and I saw you had that on. And
it wasn't too bad. Yeah. So we're finishing up the day here at Outer Banks Harley Davidson. Saying goodbye to Fire Moto, Motobomb Virginia, and actually GPS is taking me back home the same way they're going, so we're going to ride for just a little bit longer, but it's been an amazing day. It was nice meeting these guys. Man, it's almost, it almost makes me want to keep doing trips. I think I'm going to hold them up here in a second.
That's a professional.
Yep. I know you guys distracted me. Now I don't have an intro, so watch another video or something if you guys want to. See ya.